Is there a way to cook big game meat such as shanks that are
Winston,
just
there is.
fork
And the technique is called braising, and it's the same technique that your grandma used to make a pot roast. Take a tough cut like this, and you cook it at a low temperature for a long period of time, in moisture for a long period of time, and that breaks down all of this tough grandma tissue.
So the first step of this braising
Winston,
method
is to brown the meat.
Okay, we're browning this. We're going to want to use some kind of liquid. Does it matter? You don't want to use water.
Or beer, or I like to use beer.
Super tender.
Really good. So tender. And then about 20 minutes before you're done, I like to add carrots, potatoes, winter squash, garbanzo beans.
And since I don't have that much time to wait around, super tender.
Really good.